Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Bitcoin Bulletin, your daily dose of crypto news and insights. We've got a bombshell for you today. JPMorgan just flipped on Bitcoin. That's right, folks. The Wall Street giant has joined the ranks of Bitcoin believers, predicting that the price will outperform gold in 2025. But what changed? Well, it all started when U.S. President Donald Trump announced his assault on the global trade order. The result? Wild predictions of a total dollar collapse. And you know what? Bitcoin was right back at the forefront of attention. The price has reclaimed $100,000 per Bitcoin, topping that closely watched level even as BlackRock quietly issued a stark Bitcoin warning. Now, JPMorgan analysts are saying they've flipped from gold to Bitcoin, predicting the Bitcoin price will outperform gold over the rest of 2025. And it's not just any prediction, it's backed up by some serious data. Between mid-February and mid-April, gold was rising at the expense of Bitcoin, but now we're seeing the opposite. Bitcoin rising at the expense of gold. But what triggered this change? JPMorgan analysts led by Nikolaos Panagurtsoglou are pointing to two key factors: pro-crypto laws and regulations in the US and Trump's support for the technology. That's right, folks, it looks like the White House is finally on board with Bitcoin. Now, we know what you're thinking. This is just a flash in the pan. But JPMorgan analysts are saying otherwise. In their latest note, they're predicting that the year-to-date zero-sum game between gold and Bitcoin will extend to the remainder of the year, but with one key twist. Crypto-specific catalysts will create more upside for Bitcoin over gold into the second half of the year. And what about other players in the market? Well, Wall Street and tech giants are quietly gearing up to blow up the crypto market. It's going to be an interesting 2025, folks, stay tuned. But that's not all. Bill Miller IV, Chief Investment Officer at Miller Value Partners, is predicting a price of $1 million per Bitcoin. That's right, folks, we're talking seven figures. And it's not just about the price. Bitcoin's functional superiority will push it to new heights. The gold price has hit its own record high this year as investors flee to traditional safe havens. But now it looks like Bitcoin is standing shoulder to shoulder with gold as a hedge against geopolitical turmoil and increasingly as a store of value for the future. Gadi Chait, head of investment at Xapo Bank, sums it up perfectly. We're seeing two new assets emerge: Bitcoin and crypto, taking their rightful place alongside gold. So there you have it, folks, JPMorgan's bold prediction that Bitcoin will outperform gold in 2025. Will they be right? Only time will tell. But one thing is for sure, Bitcoin Bulletin will be keeping a close eye on this story as it unfolds. Stay tuned, and we'll catch you in the next video.